Party.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
Sound so cute, I'm gonna jump so cute. And my people they go jump so cute. Boss man, you go jump so cute. When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body.
I'm Nana Isha. We are glad to have you here. What do you have in stock for and what did you feel about our bonfire?
The bonfire is going well. Everything is spectacular. Everything is nice. It's a nice setup. And we're happy to be here.
Give them. Thank you so much, like, we're really grateful. I hope you're Good evening. Welcome to this evening event. What's your name, please?
My name is Remilekun, popularly known as Remy Bells.
My name is Eson Motayo Peter. Some people know me as Trips Boy, while some people know me as Tico.
Yeah, my name is Shion Timothy.
Do you have an alias or something, like an AKA?
Yeah, so my friends call me Lagos.
My name is Adeshino Ifeolu. What's your name? And I don't think anything like this has ever happened before. So you're excited about the whole concept, kind of?
Very nice one. Big thumbs up to Remy Bells, Wavy Nation, and big shout out to Party Time Nation.
Very nice show, very nice party. Thanks to Remy Bells bringing up this series.
Sunset is a banger.
What's your name?
What's up? I'm Milwise Official, you know.
Look, see some picking with the para with the gaga. Kill shall like ba. When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo go na feli, go na. You get money, you take up police. Let they love you gone.